Hi guys, so today we are going to do indie makeup look. So if you don't know what indie makeup is, it's basically this bright, vibrant and colorful makeup look. One thing I really like about indie makeup is that you can experiment with the makeup however you like according to your own choices. There is no specific rule of applying eyeshadow, blush or whatever. For the base, I first applied moisturizer. Then for my concealer, I use the Olivia makeup stick. The Olivia makeup stick, the shade is like very light to my skin tone, so I use as a concealer, and then I'm using foundation. I'm also gonna apply compact powder. Next, I'm using this sort of beige shade and applying it as a base on my eyes. Next, I'm taking this magenta-ish type of shade from the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette because I could not find a proper red shade in my entire makeup collection because I'm in desperate need of supplies. Anyways, I'm using this shade in my outer parts of my eyes and blending it nicely. Next, I thought of using an orange shade in the middle, but I could not find any matte orange shade, so I'm using this shiny orange shade. But as you can see, it did not have a single bit of pigmentation. I even applied it with the help of my fingers, but it still did not help at all. So next I used this orange shimmery shade from the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and finally you can see some pigmentation on my eyes. Next I used a bright yellow color for the inner parts of my eyes. You can guess I was going for a sunset look for this eye. Next I'm taking a sponge brush, and the shade that I used in the outer parts of my eyes I'll be applying in the under eyes as well. In the middle I'll be applying the shimmery orange shade, and in the inner parts I'll be applying the same bright yellow shade. For the other eye, I was going for like a bluish purple type of theme. So first I took this shiny lilac type of eyeshadow and tried to use it in my outer parts of my eyes, but you can see how bad and disgusting it looks. Anyway, so I then shifted to using this deep blue in the outer parts of my eyes, and you can see it looks way better. So I tried to darken it up a little bit as well. Then I used the same lilac shiny eyeshadow in the middle parts of my eyes, and then I'm using a very light blue eyeshadow in the inner corners of my eyes, and then dragging it under my eyes as well. I'll use the same shades in my under eye as well. Deep blue, lilac, and then the light blue. The light blue I already applied when I was applying it on my lid, so yeah. I look like a joker at this point. Now I'm going to be applying eyeliner and mascara. After that I'll be applying blush. I'm going to first apply the blush under my eyes right at the center, and then I'm going to drag it on my whole cheeks, applying it on my nose and my chin. Next I'm taking this pointed brush and using this shade from the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. I'll be highlighting my face. For lips, I'm using this light pink shade and applying it on the inner parts of my lips, and then spreading it with the help of my finger. And lastly, I'm gonna apply gloss. Now this is a very optional step, but I have got a lot of time on my hands, so I'll be doodling on my face with an eyeliner because I've got nothing better to do in my life. On this side, I'm first drawing a star sign, cross sign, addition sign, whatever it is, and then I'm drawing a heart. And on the other side, I'll be drawing a moon. At least I've tried to draw a moon, and I'm really just putting some dots. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comments down below what video should I make next. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.